Hey guys, I want to show you this really cool mop. So I'm tired of buying those extra pads all the time, and I wanted to get something that I could just wash and reuse. So this one actually comes with 2 different mop heads, and that way you can change them out. Super easy to change out. It's just Velcro like any of the other ones are. Boom, boom. Attaches very easily. This took me maybe 2 minutes to put together. It just snap, 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 and they come and break down in different increments. As you see, it's got little bolts. It's got a handle, that way when you need that really hard scrubbing, you can get in there. And it's got a sprayer, which I'll show you. You see it sprays very far away, so that way I can mop it up when I need to. And I want to show you that it picks up pet hair very easily. On this black surface, you can see the white pet hair. And so I'm just gonna go over it, and boom, that pet hair is gone. There's actually more over here. Go over it. And the joy about that is they have this nice little scraper. So you can use the silicone brushes, or you can use the side of it. And we'll go over to the trash can. And before I wash this, I want to get all that pet hair out. So I'm going to go ahead and just comb it through. And I'm going at a slight angle so I'm not digging into the fabric. And boom, very easily cleaned off. And then you just take this off, throw it in the washer. And that next awesome benefit about it is it has this nice little hook, which actually it comes with a small little white hook, and you can hang it on any wall, or what I like to do is put it in my closet. So definitely check this out, and if you clean all the time, I definitely recommend it. Enjoy.